Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide objects from video in CapCut Mobile. So if you regularly use this application as a video editor, you can hide or you can uncover the objects from your video. So let's get started. This is example. This is a video from a library. This one. So I want to hide the painting or picture on the wall. Try to tap on this video and make duplicate, and tap again on the first video and make overlay. Here there are two video. Click on the overlay and try to use mask. This one, mask. So you can use a rectangle or circle. Try to hide with a blank space here. Let's try the rectangle one. This one. Try to adjust the size here. So if it's done, you can cover, and then you can hide the object or the painting here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.